Hey there, everyone. This is Kenny. I wanted to come and show you my harvesting in buckets here in home. So what I decided to do this year was I'm gonna take buckets and stuff. These little buckets was on sale at Walmart for 62 cents. So I decided I would get me a couple of them and try it this way. I was gonna use the bigger buckets, but they're not on sale, and so money is tight right now. So I'm doing it this way. But this is how I got it. I went outside and got some dirt out of my backyard on the side of my house here. This is some real rich soil dirt here. It's real good soil dirt, and because I have pretty grass growing right there. So what I'm gonna do is I got them marked and I got them how long it take. This particular lettuce here, head of lettuce, takes 65 to 85 days to harvest. But it actually takes 7 to 10 days to germinate. On this one here, the cauliflower right here takes 65 to 70 days to harvest, and it takes 7 to 10 days to germinate on this one. And then, of course, this lettuce here is the leaf lettuce, and it takes 7 to 10 days, and then it takes 68 days to harvest here. And then the kale is on 8 to 12 days, and it takes 60 days to harvest on the kale. And then on the broccoli here, this is broccoli, so it takes 10 to 21 days to germinate, and it takes 70 days to harvest. Then on the beans here, this is bean, what you'll call green beans. Green beans here, they're going to take 6 to 8 days to germinate, and then it takes 55 days to harvest. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start them in my home, and I'm going to start them in these buckets here. I got my soil. I got this is vegetable gardens, tomato and vegetable food 722-8. So this is a good fertilizer. It's $9.99 if you get it at a co-op or somewhere like that. So what it is, I'm gonna start it here, and I'm gonna actually build me a trellis over my sidewalk. So when and I got some cucumbers and I got some watermelon, but I'm not gonna put them out yet because I want to have my trellis built up. But once my beans over here start growing and they start coming up, I'm gonna take them out of here, which I'm gonna take each one of them out, and I'm gonna have my garden rows set up. So when I put them in my area, it would come like all my lettuce will be in one, my head of lettuce in one, then my leaf lettuce will be in another section, then my cauliflower. So that's why I want them in the middle. I want to have them separated so I know, because these pretty much gonna grow the same. And then cross my broccoli, kale, and then my beans. And then, of course, as I get more and more, I'm gonna continue to do more and more. But I want to be able to get these little buckets like this and just start them off. And then after that, I'm gonna go to the next stage, and then the next stage, and the next stage. So this is the start off. So I'm gonna put my seeds in the ground, and then I'm gonna put my fertilizer in, and I'm gonna water them. And I'm going to write my date down that I'm doing it today, starting them on today. And then I'm going to count based upon how long it's going to take for each one of them to germinate. And then from there, then I count from that time out. So that I want to keep an accurate count on them. But also in my soil, if you notice, I got little stuff in the soil. I want to get some of this stuff here. I don't want any of the vines to be growing in there. Since I did get this dirt from outside stuff, so I want to kind of like go through the dirt, make sure there's nothing, because when I put this fertilizer in there, if any roots in it, it's going to grow them, and I don't want them to grow. And so I got this coming up here. So y'all bear with me a moment. Let me get these into the ground, and I'll be back.